a headache and a hazard. That's how people in a Ferguson neighborhood describe a large hole they've been dealing with for months. They reached out to officials for help, but to no avail.
New at 10, 5 on your side's Robert Townsend spent hours digging into the dilemma and got some results.
For the past 5 months, Scott Davenport and his neighbors have had a sinking feeling about this hole.
You can see by that dirt pile that it's a pretty good sized hole.
The hole is on the edge of his neighbor's front yard on Melcher Avenue near Larkin in Ferguson. Davenport estimates it's about 2.5 feet deep.
That water is a mosquito larva attractant. You don't know if they got Nile virus or not.
The hole is covered with a big piece of plywood. Still, Davenport, a retired paramedic, is concerned about the children who live feet away from it.
I've chased kids away from here because it's just dangerous. You don't know if this board's going to break and one of them fall in there.
This pile of dirt has also sat in the street.
You always just assume they're going to come back around and take care of it, but nothing's happened.
Neighbors say they repeatedly called Ferguson City Hall, the Metropolitan Sewer District, and utility companies about the mysterious hole. They didn't get the answers they wanted, so they turned to 5 on your side.
They never did say what it was dug for. I just think that's reckless.
I called a Ferguson spokesperson, then a Spire spokesperson, and learned the hole was connected to a Spire-related project down the street on Melcher. In a statement, spokesman Jason Merrill said, after reviewing our systems, we began work at a customer's home in December that necessitated excavation. Merrill added safety is a core value we take seriously, and a crew will be there immediately to complete the work. By late this afternoon, we were here in this neighborhood when a Spire crew rolled down the street with a backhoe. The crew removed the plywood, drained the hole, and filled it with lots of dirt in less than an hour.
I'm happy.
Truly a long-awaited, welcoming sight for Scott Davenport.
You know, the kids will be safe in the neighborhood now.
Robert Townsend.
Thank you so much for coming out here.
5 on your side.